Very windy outside. This is the evergreen tree in the backyard reflecting on the refrigerator, bringing in the color of the stained glass and the beginning of the lamp. You see the chain and the top of the lamp and one of the bulbs. Isn't that amazing? I don't know if you can hear the wind chimes outside. It's really windy, but it's gorgeous. And look at the delightful scene it's creating on the refrigerator. Just appreciating the extraordinary in the ordinary. It's one way to be rich in all aspects of your life. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. Hope you leave a comment below. Take good care of yourself.